How to cancel a premium subscription, LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you cancel LinkedIn Premium. So to cancel the LinkedIn Premium, you want to open up your LinkedIn app first thing first. And from the home page, you want to click on the profile at the top right corner, left corner, and go to your Me section. So once you go to the Me section, what next you want to do is here you just want to go and look for the premium features. So in my case, I do not have a premium account, so the interface is gonna look something different. You will click on the gear icon at the top right and go to settings and privacy as well, or else you would just click on profile from the list and then go to settings, and here you could go and click on account privacy preferences, and then over here you could go ahead and make go to the subscription and payment, and here you could go to view purchase history and cancel your premium subscription on LinkedIn. So this way you'll be able to cancel the premium subscription on LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.